Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to delete your Amazon search history. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Now look at the top of the Amazon homepage. Hover over Account and Lists, then click Browsing History. This page shows everything you've viewed or searched for. To delete a specific search item, simply click Remove from View next to it. You can remove as many items as you like, one by one. To erase everything at once, click Manage History in the top right corner. Then select Remove All Items from View and confirm. If you don't want Amazon to save your browsing activity anymore, toggle off Browsing History under the Manage History section. This stops Amazon from recording your searches going forward. If Amazon still auto-suggests old terms when you type, click inside the search bar. Then choose Edit Search History if available. From here, you can delete past search terms that Amazon saved separately. And that's it. You've cleared your Amazon search history and stopped future tracking if you want to.